Hello everyone, welcome in ST period. My dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson. That name is Janpad and Mahajanpad. Basically, now we are going to discuss about Janpad and Mahajanpad. What is the meaning of Janpad? Let's see, let me tell you about Janpad. In ancient time, those people were existence at that place, any kind of place. So that times they were proper from that place. So that's why we call them जनपद, है ना. मतलब जो मूल निवासी थे, जो मूल निवासी थे वही के थे, उनको हम जनपद कहते थे. ठीक है. एज वेल एज महाजनपद, वो भी उसी टाइप से है. बट जनपद मीन्स व्हाट, दैट दिस इज अ स्मॉल एरिया. दिस इज अ स्मॉल एरिया. एंड what about महाजनपद? इट इज़ फॉर स्टेट, है ना. जो बड़े शहर में, बड़े स्टेट में रहते थे उनको महाजनपद कहते थे, उनको महाजनपद कहते थे. सो दैट लाइक टुडे वी आर going to discuss about or study about this lesson, Janpadas, Mahajanpadas, then rise of the Magad Empire. अब मगध एम्पायर का उदय कैसे हुआ ये भी हम इसमें देखेंगे. सो बेसिकली टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अबाउट जनपद पॉइंट. The period from about 1000 BC to 600 BC is considered to be the post-Vedic period. Just see, the period of 600 BC to 1000 BC, that period was Vedic period. It is in this period that the जनपदास came into existence, और उसी वक्त जनपदास का existence आगमन हुआ. Then जनपदास were the many small state that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to be northwest of the India. Okay, जनपदास means for that. जनपदास, the people, they were live in at Afghanistan. They were live at that times in ancient time, in Vedic period. So that time that Janpadas generally they lived at Afghanistan. That was a part of India. That was a part of India. And he said, which is to the northwest of the Indian subcontinent to Bengal and Odisha in the east, and to Maharashtra in the south. So that was a part of near about at Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra. He just said. Now, from here, the Janpadas. The Janpada called Ashmak. At the times, the people said Janpadas. Another name also, there was another name. That name was Ashmak. उन्हें अश्मक भी बोला जाता था. अश्मक occupied a part of today's Maharashtra, है ना, जहाँ पे अभी हम रहते हैं right now, where we are living. That part also they occupied. उस वक्त भी हमारे महाराष्ट्र में जनपद थे. ठीक है. Now, the name of these janpadas can be found in Sanskrit, Pali and Admagadi. Basically that word come from Sanskrit, dear. संस्कृत से ये वर्ड आया है. एज वेल एज पाली एंड अर्धमगधी. अर्धमगधी लिटरेचर, these were a language at the times. One can also find information about them in the writings of Greek historians. If you want more information, or if you want to find more information about Janpad, so it is, or you will access from Greek historians. Some of the Janpadas were monarchs while others were republic. Some Janpadas had a Gan Parishad. Some Janpadas had a Gan Parishad of senior citizen. अभी जनपदास के भी टाइप्स थे. उसमें देखो उन्होंने क्या बोला कि गण परिषद भी थे उनके ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन के. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना, कैप्टन और उप कैप्टन, प्रिंसिपल एंड वाइस प्रिंसिपल. दैट लाइक सेम सिचुएशन वाज देयर. जनपद एंड उनके जो सीनियर थे. सो व्हाट वाज दैट नेम? गण परिषद. गण परिषद ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन्स. Member of the Gan Parishad came together for discussion and made decision regarding administrative issues. Where they were living or lived at the times. In that case, if they found some problems, issues, so that times they come together. Who? Janpad. Who? Janpad. Janpad come together and that time they follow or solve that problem. The place where this discussion took place was known as the Santhangar. Santhangar. Okay, means what that? In that case, if they face any kind of difficulties, problem, so that time that all Janpads come together and they discuss on that topic and solve that problem. Solve that problem. So what was that place? That place name was Santaghar. Santaghar. Okay, means what that? If you are living in a village and in that case if you face problem, so that times you are calling Gram Panchayat or you are calling Sarpanch. So that times they are just gathered together and they discuss on that topic as well as, and finally they show their result or declare their result. So we, for that place we call it Panchayat, है ना, we call it Panchayat. So that like same, at that time also there were Janpad, at the time also there were Janpad and where they just gathered together. So that times for that place we call it Santaghar. Gautam Buddha hailed from the Shakya Republic. Every Janpad had its own coinage. At that times Gautam Buddha also make that like situation, but that name Shakya Muni. Okay, so as type you can see here in this table Mahajanpad. Okay, Mahajanpad. You can see here is our second point Mahajanpad. So Mahajanpad कौन से थे वो यहाँ पर दिए हैं. फर्स्ट कोसला, वत्सा, अवंती एंड मगध. यू कैन सी हियर ये सब थे. Right now about this point we will discuss in our new videos, because in this video or next video we are going to discuss deeply about this Mahajanpad, the type of Mahajanpad, where it located, that all things we will discuss in our next video. Till then, see you, bye.